By 2050, marketing in the finance industry will be virtually unrecognizable from what we know today. Hyper-personalization, AI-driven decision-making, and immersed digital experience will be the core drivers. The competition for attention will be first, and trust will become the most valuable currency. Financial institutions that can build authentic, real-time relationship with customers will dominate while outdated, static marketing approaches will quietly vanish. Imagine walking into a virtual financial advisor's office via AR from your living room, discussing your portfolio with an AI that knows your goals better than you do because it's learned from decades of your data. That is not sci-fi, that's 2025. Marketing in the future is about aligning with the values and behaviors of a hyper-informed generation. This is consumer or digital narrative raised on decentralization, transparency, and frictionless experiences. They won't tolerate slow onboarding process, hidden fees, or corporate fluff. The rise of decentralized finance will force traditional banks and fintech firms to adopt radical transparency or a replace. This means marketing will shift from the promotion to education, from precision to participation. Content won't be just king. It will be entire kingdom, but not just in content interactive, immersive, AI-generated content that adapts in the real-time viewer intent. Imagine finance brand producing holographic explainers or Gen Alpha or launching gamified investment simulation embedded in virtual worlds. Storytelling will evolve into story living, where users don't just hear your message, they experience it. Micro influencers, especially in the niche finance communities like green investing or crypto tech strategies, will be distribution nodes. Algorithm will reward authentic engagement and niche relevance over mastery. SEO evolves from keywords to intent change, understanding the psychology journey and behind financial decisions like buying a home, planning for a retirement, or recovering from debt will define ranking success. Voice search, AI chat interface, and even brain computer interfaces will require marketers to optimize not just for what people type, but what they mean. The algorithmic winners will be those who predict and fulfill user intent before it's fully expressed. Trust signals, once limited to testimonials and reviews, will become biometric verifiable credentials. Decentralized identity and blockchain locked proof of service will be essential to prove legitimately in a world rife with deepfakes and AI scams. Finance marketing 2025 is not about selling products, it's about designing ecosystem people want to live in. Those who start aligning with these shifts now by leaning into AI, embracing radical transparency and mastering niche relevance will not only survive but lead the next financial era.